One other thing on air conditioning, don't use Teflon type to try to seal. Whether they had an O-ring or compression, Teflon Seek doesn't seal refrigerant leaks. If it was going to leak, it is going to leak even if you use Teflon tape. And I replaced the old original cap. I have brass caps for the old R12 vehicles. They look nicer on the old Mercedes. So I put the old originals. Somebody else already put the retrofit fitting on there. And that wasn't me, that was somebody else. And I noticed way down there, will it zero in? I think I see a little Teflon tape down there too. And in this unique area, this is one of the places where I get a unique ability to work on a lot of very unique old rare vehicles. As you can see, in all different states of repair. Here's a really nice old one here. Simple old car, kind of car you could fix, you break down anywhere. You could fix this with almost anything in your pocket. Old Chevy. Here's a nice old one. An old Cadillac. Hood from this one. Just got painted, being restored. No, actually it's just polished. That's old paint. Another vehicle in a stage of restoration, being brought back to life again. I'll see this in several months, looking like a brand new car, or even better than a brand new car. And here's another one, getting ready for paint in its primer. I think about a year ago, this might have been in pieces on some wooden benches when I took a video in here before, and now it's being all put back together. And then going over to here, we have some more in various states of being restored. There's an old one. What we got here? Porsche. Can't quite see that one, make it out too good, but it's an old Porsche. I'm not sure which one it is. Some of you Porsche aficionados will know what this is, but I'm not a Porsche person. Old Boss 302. That's going to be brought back to life. Looks like we were in a little saltwater damage there. Oh yeah, we've been in a, we were back somewhere in the Rust Belt where there was salt water on the ground, or for snow, when they put salt on the snow on the roads. Yeah, there's a lot of restore on this one. Nice old Corvette. What do we got here? Oh, a really old Dart. Okay. And nice paint job on this one. It's like a mirror. Hey folks. Yeah, this is a show car, definitely. This is not sitting in the barn beater. Your transmission, your gears. And check that oil pan out. That's an oil pan. Then goes into your torque converter. And I wonder if this was electric or is this gas lights? Oh, that's electric lights. I know when they got this old, the lights used to have actual acetylene gas, but no, those are electric ones. Well, that's it for the tour of this shop. See you guys later.